This video is sponsored by okjersey.com. They've got all the latest kits and loads of retro classics. So don't spend £70 in the shops when you can grab these high quality shirts for under 15 quid. Click the link in the description below and use the code FRTV for a further 8% off.
Right, it down our left hand side. Ball in the box. Oh no! Golasso! 1-0 by Leverkusen. It's just a poor goal, really. It just is, mate. Oh, bro. Why does it feel like we're about to just turn into a team all of a sudden? Not looking good, bruv. They've looked more threatening than us. I can't lie. We've dominated the ball, yeah. But they've actually looked more threatening than us, and they get the goal.
Off the back of this game, you're going, you know what? They deserve to start the next game. 1-0 Chelsea. Hold on.
Might be offside.
These lot are through here.
Oh, offside.
Oh, bro. 1-0.
Oh, 1-0. He's been on fire, that bastard. Fucking grip the left wing back, bro. Okay, no.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Tommy, have a good night with your missus, mate. The chances we've had at the other end.
Wow, Enzo's on side, I think.
Considering this is basically a totally rotated side. I do need my left back to be at left back here, though, Nori. Oh, this might be a goal. Oh, of course it's Grimaldo. Lads, we've conceded a goal. Not what I was anticipating, to be honest with you. I don't really get how the ball went through Kusanov, so I'm going to have a look at that. That's quite upsetting. That's quite upsetting. Let's have another look at that. It was on the... No, it wasn't even on the counter-attack, was it? I'm very upset about Nori's positioning. I don't know why he's so far out of place there.
I think when you're... I mean, as Andy says there, is Leverkusen coming forward now. And they're in a great spot here. Blocked, and it's not blocked, sorry, it's 1-0. It's Grimaldo, and all these changes that Man City have made. I said the thing that I was fearing the most is Leverkusen scoring first, because this is going to be a very long game. Yeah. 1-0 Leverkusen.
And Leverkusen bring the ball into the box here. It's kicked back, and they've scored. They've scored. Grimaldo. Yeah. I mean, I if you expect me to be mad right now, but something I realistically expect it to happen. So sorry, yeah, I can't be bothered.
What? Are you taking a piss, bro? No. Nah, that's too funny, man. I can't believe that just happened, mate. Are you being serious? F*** off. We're losing 2-0. Oh, fucking hell. Chelsea have just scored a second as well. Oh, my God. Nah, that is crazy. What even happened, bro?
Team, yeah, in the Champions League. Why are we playing a lineup, yeah, that isn't good enough to beat Swansea without certain man coming on? 2-0 Leverkusen. 2-0. Absolute dross. As I'm saying it, Pep had started a team that wasn't good enough to beat Swansea without certain players coming on. Absolutely shocking.
Ake? Why are we losing 2-0? Ake, mate. What? Mate? What?
Cross comes in from Leverkusen. Header 1 and in 2-0. Patrick Schick. It's a good header. It's a good ball in. This is a disaster for Manchester City. Absolute disaster. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear.
Grimaldo moves the ball backwards and into the box. It's headed. Oh, they've scored again. Oh, they've scored again, guys. How do you cope now, Alf? Alcohol, man's best friend.